we're going to do 7.4.1, the one with the person kicking the ball, and we're trying to find A, B, and C, and D, right?
Which one?
This was the one we took notes on today.
Oh, yeah.
With the one.
Hold up, let me go get my
ball?
notebook. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay. So do you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So we have our equation, and I wrote the expression for the axis of symmetry. So the two questions are, ooh, that's an awful color. Two questions are, what's the maximum height of the ball? So if you have the picture next to you, that's the vertex. That's the y of the vertex.
Yeah.
And when is this? So that's going to be the x of the vertex. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's easier if we find 2 first, because the x of the vertex is the axis of symmetry, right?
Sure.
Well, say this is the vertex, right?
Yeah.
The axis of symmetry is, well, the line that goes through
that makes
the vertex,
sense.
right?
Yeah.
That's going to be the x. Okay, so how would we find the x in this particular problem? What would I substitute into the axis of symmetry?
-48 over 2 -16.
Okay, which is?
I ain't got. 1.5.
Okay, 1.5, what's the units?
1.5 feet. Seconds.
Seconds. So it reaches the maximum height at 1.5 seconds. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just erase real quick. Okay, now how would we find the maximum height, knowing the time that it takes us to get to the maximum height?
I don't know.
We'll try and find y, right?
Oh, yeah.
So what would we do?
Is the time just the 1.5?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Negative 16, 1.5 squared plus 48 times 1.5 plus 150.
Plus 50.
Oh yeah, 50.
Okay, so now figure it out. Tell me what to write.
Wait, 1.5 squared is 2.25.
Okay.
And 48 times 1.5 is 72.
Okay.
And then negative 16 times 2.25 is negative 36. And 72 plus 50. 2 plus 50. 122.
Okay.
Subtract 36. And you get 86.
Wait,
Did I do it wrong?
hold on. Let me check what I did. Wait, say that again. What was your answer?
86?
That's correct.
Okay,
Sorry,
cool.
I just had to make sure. So yeah, it's the maximum. It's gonna be when you kick it off of the cliff, 86 feet, and that's after 1.5 seconds. So you can write that down as your answer for Friday. Okay, can I erase?
Yeah.
Okay. And then question number 3 is one. Question number 3.
When does the ball hit the ground?
Okay, hold on. When, that's time, does ball hit ground? How would we figure this out? Okay, so first of all, if this is the cliff, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this is the trajectory of the ball.
Mm-hmm.
We know that this is the vertex.
Mm-hmm.
So it's talking about this point right here when it hits the ground.
Mm-hmm.
What do we know about the coordinate?
That y is 0.
Okay, and then the x is something. Okay, so knowing that, what would we do?
Set it equal to 0.
Okay, so what equal to 0?
The negative 16 t squared, blah, 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 blah.
Okay. And now what?
Solve for, wait, the quadratic formula?
What is the quadratic formula? The
B
standard
plus
one.
or minus the square root
Wait, say
of
that
b
again.
squared minus
Okay, start over.
b.
Nope,
What?
it's not B. Almost, you're halfway there.
Negative b.
Negative B.
I always mess up right there. Negative b plus or minus the square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a.
Perfect. Okay, so what would we substitute in?
Wait, hold up. Let me write this down.
Okay. Give me a moment. I'm gonna get water.
Okay.
Okay. So what would I do?
So you would plug in the ABCs, you know.
Yeah, so say it.
Negative 48 plus or minus the square root.
Oops. Yeah.
48 squared minus 4 times negative 16 times 50 over 2 times negative 16.
Okay. Which would give us,
I don't know.
let's just focus on the radican.
Is that what it's called? Radican?
Yeah, the radican. What's under the radical?
Sounds like a Pokemon.
Yeah. All right.
2,304.
Hold on. That's 48 squared.
Yeah,
2000 what?
304.
Okay.
And then, hold on, let me do this. Plus 3200. Which would give us 550.04. Which 5504.
Hold on. 5504. Which is
some super long decimal.
Let's just round it to the nearest hundredth.
74.189.
Sure. Okay, so what are your two solutions?
Hold up.
So the bottom is going to be negative 32. Right, 2 times negative 16.
Yeah. I always mess up right here. Was one of them negative 0.819 or 0.8?
Okay, sure. That's one. What's the other?
The other one is, hold up. $3.818.
Let's say 3.8.
Yeah.
Okay. And what are the units on both of these?
We're doing time, right? So seconds.
Okay. Which one's the right answer?
The positive one.
There you go.
3.8.
Yep.
Wow.
So yep, you did it.
Wow. Genius.
All right. Can I clear?
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on to the book assignment. 7.1.
7.1.
So 7.1 is asking you, given what you're given, convert it to factor form. Not factor form, vertex form, my bad. Find the vertex.
But I forgot how to do this. We had to use
Um,
the weird equations, right?
What?
Those weird equations that we learned like
Yeah.
on Monday.
It also asks you to graph it, but no, I didn't do that, and I don't think you want to do that. So
I hate graphing.
let's just do the big three. So the first one, so I guess it's pertinent to say that this is, hold on. So this is vertex form. What's vertex form? Or yeah, what is the basic vertex form?
A parentheses x minus h over b.
We're gonna ignore the b for now.
What? Plus k.
So this is very basic because this is going to tell you your left and right. This is going to tell you your up and down. This is going to tell you your dilation. So that's why it's very basic. And if we expand this, we get ax squared minus 2ahx plus ah squared plus k. So that's this expanded. That's if we did FOIL and everything. So what we do is, given what you're given, so on A, do you have the book assignment up?
Yes, I do.
So what's the first one?
F of x equals 2x squared.
Okay.
Minus 16x.
Okay.
Plus 41.
Okay. So what we do is we would set what you're given equal to this.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we would kind of pair up our terms. So this goes with this because they're both in front of an x squared. Both in front of an x squared. So what, that is too big. What things are in front of the x? Just the x, not x squared.
2, -2.
What?
The -2 on that side, yeah.
Well, it's a whole package because all of this is in front of x.
2ah.
Yeah, there you go. And what else?
And 41 is the same as
No. Well, two things have to equal each other, right?
Yeah.
What?
Don't we have to like solve for h?
Well, let's pair up first. So you said that -2ah is in front of x. What else is in front of x?
Wait, say that again.
What else is in front of an x besides -2ah?
In front of an x?
Yeah.
I don't know. 16, -16.
-16. You know why that makes sense? They're both in front of an
because
x.
Yeah.
And what's left? 41. And this is what's left. I should kind of do this.
Yes.
So, oh, why did I do that? Wrong one. So, and then these two are equal.
Yes.
Okay. So now we would do 2 is equal to a. -16 is equal to
-2ah.
And 41 is equal to
ah squared plus k.
Okay. So we already know that 2 is equal to a. So plug that in here. Negative 16 is equal to negative 2 times 2 times h. Negative 16 is equal to negative 4. H is equal to.
Hold on, I'm writing everything down.
Okay.
I'm like looking back in my notes right now.
Okay.
So wait, what were you asking?
I was asking what's h.
H is, hold up. Negative 4.
Would not be negative 4 because negative 4 times
positive
negative
4.
4.
I forgot my
Yeah.
negative.
So 4 is equal to h. Okay. So given, oops, I'm like a mess with all these colors, but given that we know that 2 is equal to a and 4 is equal to h, we can solve for the last one. We could solve for k.
Mm-hmm.
So what would we do?
41 equal 2 times 4 squared plus k.
Okay, so that would be what?
Hold up. What's 16 times 2?
You tell me.
16 times 2 equals 32.
32 plus k. K is equal to.
K equal 9.
Great. So now we have all this information. We put it into vertex form. Okay, so vertex form. What is vertex form again?
A times x minus h squared plus k.
Okay, now if we substitute our a, h, and k in, we'd have
2 times x minus 4 squared plus 9.
okay. And what is our vertex? So we did, that's part A. Part A is done.
Mm-hmm.
So what is the vertex?
Vertex is 4, 9.
Okay. What's the axis of symmetry?
This is x, right? 4?
Yeah. There you go. That's part A done.
Wow. Now only 20 more parts to go.
and we can check if we did it right, because whatever we got in vertex form should equal what we were given in the beginning. Oops. Minus 16 x plus 41. And I'll do the box method. So this would be 2 times x squared minus 8x plus 16 plus 9, 2x squared minus 16x plus 32 plus 9. What do you know? We end up where we started.
Wow.
Make sense?
Yeah.
If it doesn't make sense, just tell me.
Okay.
I shouldn't erase that. There you go.
Now we do the same thing 6 more times.
Yep.
Why is there so many parts to that question? That is vile.
Well, I mean, it's really just one part, and you're just converting into vertex form, then everything else is just observation. So what's the next given?
F of x equals 3x squared minus 15x minus 77.
Okay, and we set that equal to the expanded version of vertex form. Why do we do this?
Because we're finding vertex.
Well, we're setting it equal because these two things are logically equivalent, right?
Yeah.
Fun. Where is it? Standard form is what, A. So we know that, I hate when my pen does that. So standard form is this, right?
Yeah.
This.
Oh yeah, because the square and the x, yeah.
Yeah. These two things are the same thing, but just written differently because they're expanded differently. Just like how we proved that we got the right answer just a minute ago. How when we went from vertex form, when we expanded it, we got back to standard form. Remember? So
Yeah.
by setting this, which is in standard form, equal to vertex form, we're trying to find how can we put the standard form back into vertex form, or is at least how I understand it.
Okay, yeah.
Does that kind of make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's pair up our numbers. So 3 goes with
A.
Okay. Negative 15 goes with
Negative 2AH.
Okay. And negative 77 goes with
Everything else.
Okay. So 3 is equal to A. Negative 15 is equal to negative 2 times
3
times 3.
H.
Hold up. We'll put H as this. I know that's like really bad colors, but
I have a homework alarm.
What? You have a homework alarm?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do we do now?
We times it.
So negative 2 times 3 is
Negative 6H.
Okay. Is equal to
Negative 15.
Okay, H is
2.5.
Give me a moment. Yeah. On my work, I left it as fractions, but yeah, 2.5.
I dislike fractions.
Okay, so Negative 77. I'm giving up with colors, by the way.
Okay.
So what do we do? Negative 77 equal.
Negative 77 equals 3 times 2.5 squared question mark.
Right.
Yeah, squared plus k.
Plus k. Okay.
2.5 squared. 2.5 squared is 6.25 times 3, which is 18.75 plus k.
Okay. K is
K equal to K is equal to negative 95.75.
okay. So now that we have our numbers, let's put all the pieces together.
F of x equals to 3 times x minus 2.5 squared. Do we change it to positive?
Nope, outside exact.
Okay, negative 95.75.
Okay, vertex.
Vertex is 2.5, and then that big negative number.
Okay, axis of symmetry.
Axis is the x, 2.5.
Done.
Boom.
Okay, can I erase?
Yeah.
Only 3 more to go.
Yay. Oh no, a fraction.
Yes, it gets difficult. Not by a lot though.
Well, what the heck is up with D and E? There's only one.
It actually makes it much easier, to be honest.
Does it? It's
You'll
just
see
like
why.
0 for everything.
Yeah, you'll see why. So C, what is C?
C is f of x equals x squared minus 3/7 x plus 13.
And you also know another reason why we're setting this equal to this, because they're both f of x. F of x
yeah.
equal to f of x. So that's a much more simpler way of seeing it.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay, so it's equal to ax squared minus 2ah x plus a h squared plus k. Okay. What is the number in front of x squared?
Uno.
Okay, 1. That's a. That's not a good color. Just bad spacing. It's okay if Ms. Schupman's listening to this, she won't see what I'm drawing. Okay. Right, negative 3/7 is equal to
Negative 2ah.
okay, 13 is equal to
The rest.
Okay. So 1 is equal to a, negative 3/7 is equal to negative 2 times 1 times h. Solve.
Hold up.
And I would not put that fraction into a decimal.
Yeah,
by the way.
some 0.4782. I'm allergic to fractions.
I know.
hate fractions
I
so much.
prefer fractions more than decimals.
Really?
Yeah, they make more
So
sense
much
to me.
difficult. So, it's like times reciprocal, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Would it be like times the positive?
No, it's just, well, what's the reciprocal of -2?
1/2.
Not 1/2. 1/2 is the reciprocal of 2.
Is that not what we're doing?
What's the reciprocal of -2?
Oh, -1/2.
Okay. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other. These cancel out.
3/14?
Okay.
Question mark?
13 is equal to 1 times 3/14 squared plus k. 13 is equal to 3/14 squared plus k. What's 3/14 squared?
Wait. I hate fractions. Hold on.
Not any better to put in a decimal, by the way.
Yeah. Bottom would say 14, no?
3/14 squared is the same as saying this. So you're multiplying across
9.
9/14.
14?
Well, you're multiplying across.
Oh.
You're not adding. If you're adding, the denominator stays the same.
196.
Okay.
That's a terrible number, bro.
13 is equal to 9/196 plus k.
Oh my goodness.
It's going to be an ugly number, I know.
What the heck is that? Oh my gosh. How do we even do that? I know you subtract.
On my calculator, it lets me subtract fractions. I don't know about yours.
Mine does not. It just turns it to, I have to turn it to a decimal first. Do I have to make the bottoms the same, right?
If you, yeah, if your calculator doesn't let you do anything else.
There's so much labor work.
Okay, I'll give you a freebie. Okay, it's going to be 12 and 187/196.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so we have our A. Stop texting me. It's Jacob. Okay. We have our A, we have our H, we have our K. Let's construct.
F of x equals 1 times x.
Hold on. F of x is equal to
1.
We can kind of, if it's 1, we don't really have to write
we
it.
don't really have to. X minus 3/14
Okay.
squared plus that stupid fraction.
Okay, what's the vertex?
Vertex is 3/14 comma stupid fraction.
Okay. What is the axis?
3/14.
Perfect.
That was difficult for no reason.
Jacob might be joining, by the way.
Very cool.
So this is basically like level 2.5 work, you know, the usual.
This should be like level 5 work.
Hey Jacob.
Was good.
Hello.
We so while you were gone, we completed 7.4.1, which was the one in our notebook. And and we're on problem D of 7.1. But
oh yeah.
But I've recorded all of it, so if you want to go back and watch what you missed, you can.
Oh, for sure. By the way, like, are we only able to do like 7.1 and 7.2 on the homework?
Yeah, basically.
Yeah.
I see. How long do like each of them take, would you say?
Like 2 hours.
Each?
I mean, it takes like about 5 minutes each, I'd say.
Nah, that's a lie. It's like 10 minutes. Especially if it's like a fraction thing where it doesn't come out clean.
Okay,
so
let's put it this way. Say if like there's like a no-brain kindergartner, Darren, and you had to tell them to do this work.
Well,
like, walk them through it. How long do you think it would take you?
I mean, I've walked Katie through this in like 5 minutes. I think you can fare pretty well.
Are you referring to Katie as the kindergartner in my example?
Okay, so Jacob, let's so I've been asking Katie to help me walk through how to do it. So I'm gonna ask you to help me walk through one of these problems.
Okay.
So we're going to do D on problem 7.1.
Can you just show me, because I don't have it on me right this.
So D is f of x is equal to 2x squared.
2x squared.
That's it.
Oh, you're about to put that in you're about to put the 2x squared in the x squared, huh?
Well,
if we want to
Sorry. Go on. Sorry.
I was trying to say, like, in context to like the green stuff, right? You're gonna f of x equals 2x squared. You want to like put that in like for like a, right? Because like that's a.
Well, be careful. Let's look at what they're asking.
Convert to vertex form. Find the vertex. What is axis of symmetry?
So first of all, we're trying to convert to vertex form, and we do that by setting the standard form, because all of this is in standard form, believe it or not. It set the standard form equal to the vertex form, and what I wrote right here, what I'm underlining, this is just vertex form but expanded.
Oh, so isn't it like already in vertex form then?
Well, no. This is the template for a vertex form.
Oh, okay.
And we know that f of x is equal to 2x squared, and f of x is also equal to whatever this is. So, and we know that f of x is equal to f of x, right?
Okay, so like you want to set them equal to each other, huh? Okay. So you want to put like 2x squared is equal to ax squared minus 2ahx plus ah2 plus k.
And recall that that standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. But we only have 2x squared. We only have this part. So what does that mean with the rest of this?
They're both 0, right?
Okay. So
wait, are they both 0 or are they both like?
Well, they would have to be both 0 because they're not there.
Okay, so then
it'd be 2x squared plus
0.
0 what?
Wait, say that. Oh, what?
Well, you're right. Both of these would have to equal 0.
So like 2x
squared plus 0x, 0 times x.
Oh, for sure. But like, wouldn't you not have to put that because like it's gonna end up at 0 anyways?
Yeah, but I just want to visualize it right now.
Oh, for sure. Okay, so then it's 2x squared plus 0x plus 0.
Okay.
Is equal to f of x.
Whatever the.
Oh shoot, not that. X squared is funny.
So and now we have to pair up our terms. So what are the numbers in front of x squared?
The x squared 2.
And what else?
Nothing else.
Nothing else on the left side, but what about on the right side?
Oh, my boy, on the right side, we got a.
Okay, so 2 is equal to a. Okay.
What? Oh, wait, what? How does that work?
Well, if we know that f of x is equal to f of x, then, well, you can kind of think of that because we kind of you would get you would get standard form by doing FOIL, right?
FOIL. Okay. Yeah, that sounds familiar.
So if I do right
For
from
sure.
from here,
Yeah, so that's like
this would be
x minus h squared is like equal to like x is like x minus h times x minus h, and then you can do like the funny method,
yeah,
and
so
that gives you x squared minus xh minus hx minus h squared. Yeah.
Plus h. So this. So
Oh yeah,
see
plus
how
h squared.
see how well, this is kind of a bad example actually because there are 2 variables and whatnot.
It's like learning math like a new language. Like I swear, I'm seeing more letters than I am numbers.
Okay, so let's say 2 plus x squared.
2 plus x squared. That's like 2 plus x times 2 plus x. Because
Okay.
like, and then you gotta do the funny FOIL, and that'll give you
4
like
plus
4 plus
2x plus
2x plus x squared.
It'd be 4 plus 4x plus x squared. We rearrange it. It look like this, right?
Yeah, for sure, for
So
sure.
so this is in standard form. We have an x squared, an x, and a constant, or a y-intercept.
My question:
and
where
this-
did the 2 plus x squared come from?
It was given to us.
Oh, okay.
And you're asking, why did I set 2 equal to a? Because you can kind of, if I use colors, this, the x squared, is like this, right?
Right.
This, because everything negative 2ah is in front of the x.
Okay.
This is the second term. And everything else, because it doesn't have an x in front of it, is kind of like this -4 or this +4. So this, so all of this is equal to this.
Okay.
All of this is equal to this. And all of this is equal to
so
this.
like, wait, hang on. So like, is -2ah equal to 0?
Yes.
Okay.
Because we're setting all of this equal to this.
So what does that mean?
Do you see how each term lines up with the other?
Yes.
So right, -2, well, 2ah is equal to 0, and k is equal to, well, sorry, all of this, which would be negative, which would be positive ah squared.
By the way, Darren, I found my backpack. It was on the activity bus. So I got that back. And then like I'm happy now because I got it back.
Okay.
Because I had my stuff in there. Also, another thing to know, I'm probably gonna fail this semester. Very likely. This
You
stuff
still
is
get
like,
caught up. I
what's
was
that?
super behind in the beginning of the year, and I caught up.
I know, but like, Katie, when did you fall behind is my question for you.
I felt I didn't take the Unit 3 test, and I was behind until Unit 6.
So Unit 6. That's great for you, Katie, but like, I did 2 hours of studying with this man, Darren, which like play of the game for him for doing that. And then I took the test in the homework center, and I felt like I failed it terribly. So like, even if I could pull the work off, I feel like it would just be in vain because then I'm gonna go back in that goofy building just to fail the test.
Okay, so we have a equals 0, negative 2ah equals 0. Oh, sorry, a is not equal to 0. My bad. A is equal to 2, right? So do you understand how we got here with all of this equal to that?
I'm just gonna tell you, Darren. I'm gonna say yes, just so it's easy for you. You know what I'm saying?
Well,
like,
if it doesn't make sense, I can go back.
I'm gonna tell you right now, convert to vertex form is already confusion to me. That first sentence up on the top is already hurting my brain.
Actually, I want Katie to explain to you the process of finding part A.
Oh shoot. All right, Katie, it's your time to shine. No pressure.
Okay,
All
guys.
you gotta
You have
do.
all the tools. Now you are the one in the spotlight.
Can I have the tool? Can I have a tool?
Um,
View options, annotate.
Katie, can you press share screen and then whiteboard?
Share screen, whiteboard, share.
Yeah.
Can you guys see?
Yeah.
Let's freaking go. Okay, hang on a second. I'm gonna do this real quick. Yeah, let's freaking go. All right, here, I'll delete that for you. Okay, let's go.
So, wait, let me. Okay, so our vertex form is this.
Okay, Katie, you might as well try the Collins Wolf thing you made in 5th grade at this rate, because this is amazing handwriting.
Flashbacks.
Yeah. I still have that yearbook. It's actually wait. I can pull that up right now. Hang on.
That is traumatic.
What's that?
That is traumatic.
Okay,
wait, I don't forget. Are you trying to be an artist when you grow up, Katie?
Yeah.
For sure. I think I found it. Yes. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
Oh, hang on. Darren, I know this is off topic, but trust me, it's worth it. So basically, it's this drawing competition in 2016 to 2017 about the Collins Elementary yearbook cover, and Caitlin did like this most insane drawing and won it. So I'm about to present to you what I am talking about, right? And this is it. I literally found it.
Oh
is
my
that
god.
you, Caitlin Campbell?
Yep. Wait, hang on a second. Yeah, it's.
Oh, they put someone else's name in there for the credit.
Really?
Yeah, check the inside.
Hang on.
Like, I was so upset.
Hang on, I need to see this. Oh man, I remember. Oh no, they showed the other art contestants, the runner-ups here. Do you remember Isabel Koperik? Isabel
Yeah.
Koperik? Then there's Bailey Owis, and then Mary Cash. I don't remember her.
Yeah.
I don't. Who's Mary Cash again?
She's either a junior or senior now.
She's the same grade as us.
Oh,
Yeah.
then I must be thinking of like her sister or something.
Yeah, I know Olivia Cash. That person's a junior.
Yeah, I was thinking of her then.
Oh yeah, but here, hang on. Let me show you the uprunners. This whole thing. Right in here. Oh man, I have like a test. So it's kind of difficult. What? That is the wrong thing. They're the runner-ups right there.
Move it down a little bit.
Move it down?
Like yeah, like down a little bit more. Look, cover art by summer. That was so dirty.
Oh.
Yeah, those are the runner-ups. So that was pretty good.
Okay, back to what we were doing.
Okay.
So,
Okay, Jacob, do you see this? This is the vertex formula.
okay, so the vertex formula is goofy A's and X and H's and K's, and that gives you what you call it. It gives you like the formula you need for finding
this is
the
how you
vertex form.
find the vertex.
Do you remember Mallory Schramm?
No.
Miss Schramm. You don't remember Miss Schramm?
No.
Oh wait, hang on. Maybe you had
I
there's
have a different teacher.
Miss Apostle.
Yeah.
That's who you had. Oh, Miss Apostle was a go. I'm not even gonna lie.
Literally.
Miss Apostle. Oh man, the boys' puberty video class that we had to do with her. That was the funniest thing. I still remember those goofy questions that were in there. Samion, that man was so funny.
Okay, so for the vortex formula, we're going to simplify, I don't know. We're going to solve it. Just like this part right here. Which is like this stuff.
Trying to find.
Jacob, are you listening?
Oh, definitely. So basically,
Wait, this
we're
part.
doing the vertex form, and wait, where did the Xbox come in?
Okay, so right here,
It's
it's squared. So you're gonna do this little box thing or
So
foil.
This goofy Katie ain't doing foil, Darren. Look at
I'm
this.
allergic to foil.
What?
I like box method.
Foil is goated, bro.
I'm
Foil
box method
is
too.
easy.
I'm
What?
box method side too.
No, foil is. You guys are just monsters right now. Foil is the goated method.
No, box method is where it's at.
Michael Hildreth, what are you doing in here? I found
And
you.
then, okay, Jacob.
So I'm looking at Miss Kentner's class in 4th grade of 2016 to 2017. But I'm listening. So you did Xbox method and you got goofy combo 6,000. Shouldn't that be -2 HX?
We're getting
No,
there.
because they're both negatives.
Yeah.
Oh wait, yeah.
2 HX.
But I'm just gonna write it out.
Yeah, we're getting there.
For
We're getting
for
there.
show.
Just be patient. We're getting.
For show.
Wait, hold up. I'm almost there. Okay, that's a K. And then so you distribute the A to each of the terms. Yeah. Jacob, put away the yearbook.
It's time to show you quadrilateral right now. It's time to show you quadrilateral.
No, hold that up right now. No, let me. No.
Low quality.
Anyway.
Oh
Sorry to interrupt, Katie. Sorry.
Keep going. Well, I'm definitely find Katie in here. Don't worry. I found Steven. I found Ree. I found Liam Anderson, Joey, Caitlin Campbell. I found Caitlin Campbell right now. Okay, hang on a second.
Dude, my 5th grade teacher was traumatizing.
Wait, Caitlin Campbell. There we go.
Dude, my mom made me tie my hair up. It's so traumatic.
Oh my god, that is so funny. Just look at how much you changed. You're like you got that punk style now. Okay, let's see who else is in there. Isaac Eskers. Oh, does Isaac still go to our school? I keep
No.
What happened to him?
He just
I don't know.
vanished.
What about Leticia Cruz? Do you remember?
She moved.
Dude, did she? Oh my god.
What about do you remember Taylor by chance, Caitlin? That like
Oh my god, she was
all-star-
like my best friend.
She was like an all-star straight A, like superstar. teacher's
Yeah.
pet. Like it was actually insane.
She was like good at everything.
I know she was good at everything. Then there's a Jaden Shaw. We all know him. Colton too. Remember that troublemaker?
Oh my god, yeah.
That man was always up to no good. Let's see here. I found Mason Thomas. I found Mason Thomas. Yeah, boy, Mason Thomas. Oh my goodness, bro. This yearbook has everything I need. Let's see.
I ate.
Oh, Rylan Brock. Tristan Butler. Tristan Butler. I remember Tristan in my class. Oh my god, that man always had something to bring up. Oh my god, I found that mother trucker. Hey, I still got more. There's still more to come. Let's see. Got Cheyenne Green. I remember her. Daisy. She still looks like no one. Oh, Chikai! Oh my god, Chikai! Oh my god, Chikai! And that man Chikai changed his hair. Oh my god, I didn't even remember. I remember this. Oh, what the hell? Look at my boy Chikai with that short hair. Holy cow!
I love this Quadra thing. I'm gonna crack me up so much. No, I already have a picture in the server.
Oh, you definitely do. I remember when that man did not have a mustache. Oh my god. and he had like short hair instead of like his afro he's got going on now. Oh, I found me. I'm not showing that one. No, thank you.
How you gonna expose us but not expose yourself? Come on.
I found that. Say less. Here, this is me. I used to wear this goofy collared shirt, bro. That one's me. I'm not holding that one still, Darren. Don't even try that.
I have the yearbook too, so.
Oh goodness. I thought to see this. Anyway. She hasn't changed much either. Marvin, I mean, I could show you. Do you remember?
No. Katie, look at this. Katie, look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
What?
Wait, is it the group chat?
No.
Wait, what is it? Wait, what is it?
What is it?
What?
What is that, man?
No, what do you guys like? Is it like a DM or something? Like, is it like a chat? What is it that
it's
you guys
a yearbook photo.
Wait, what yearbook photo? Which one? Is it the one in Off Topic? The Quadra one?
No, Darren was sharing his screen.
Oh, he was sharing his screen? Oh, Darren, could you please do that again? I need to see now.
No, you missed the opportunity.
Oh, you missed your opportunity. Oh.
You can watch back on the footage because it's recorded.
I found Russell. Oh my god. Oh my god. You need to see this right now. Oh my goodness. That should be.
Dude, your nail looks the same.
Oh my god. Boy, I'm gonna show you Russell first. Hang on a second. Oh man. And then we hang on, and then we got Shinio. Wait, hang on.
He looks the same.
Oh my god. This is like S tier surfing. Let's see. I remember Taylor. What's another good one? Eureka, Omar, Aubrey. What happened to Aubrey?
She moved.
I remember she was like the first like week of school and like what you call it, like sophomore year, what happened? Like, did she just decide to move?
Oh my gosh.
What?
I remember it was the beginning of quarantine and I sent Miss Aponte I okay.
Wait, did Jaden Eastep move?
I sent Miss Aponte this meme. Hold on, if it's gonna show. No, is it not gonna show? Come on.
Hey Katie, wait, let me see.
Ah,
I think you just need
nuts.
to adjust it.
Do you see this?
Yeah, I see it.
I sent Miss Aponte this and she replied, "Thanks for sending the encouraging meme smiley face."
Oh my goodness. Do you guys remember? Well, I forgot. I'm trying to look for him again. Oh yeah, Jaden Eastep.
Yeah.
What happened to him?
I don't know. Kids just disappeared, okay?
What?
They just like disappeared.
I
They
know.
don't even say nothing. They just vanish.
I still see Joey around. You know Joey?
Mm-hmm.
He's also changed a bit too.
Who, Piper's brother?
Piper's
Yeah.
brother, yeah. Or twin brother, really, because they're both twins.
They don't look alike.
They're fraternal twins.
Fraternal.
Yeah. No. I cannot believe I still have this. That's insane. I'm gonna go look at my second grade one. Hang on, I'll be right back.
Are we not ever going to finish this?
I think this week, Darren, it's a wild card. It depends on how long the second yearbook takes. Second grade yearbook takes. I'll be back. Yo, where's the pizza at?
Someone introducing. I'm sucking.
Yes.
I'm gonna be using
2014, the 2014 and 2015 Learning Together Bose Elementary. Let's see if we can find anyone in here familiar. I was in second grade at the time, so.
Dude, I have old pictures of Eleanor.
Send them my way ASAP right now.
I have
Second grade.
one really old one from like 6th grade.
Vasquez.
Where's my
Leslie. Ruby. Kayla. Shayla. Alexander. Christopher. Liliana. Jesse. Cedric. Kylie. Bailey. David. Angelina. No. Sade. Kalina. Isaiah. Kathleen, Carlicki, Maka.
I hope you're digging out that picture right now.
Chantel, Aiden.
It's sending. It's
kind
of like
third grade or second grade? Oh, I was in third grade. Oh shoot. Yeah, I was in third grade at the time.
Cheddar my netter butters.
Does Lorena Schwab recognize that name?
Who?
Who now?
Lorena Schwab.
I do not know that.
Lorena Schwab. Okay, never mind. I'm trying to see if I can find any similar people. Kevin Kong. Oh my goodness. I did not know that name exists, but no. Miss Murray, second grade class. Kevin Kong. Chelsea Sandoval Romero. That seems familiar, but not quite. Yasmin, Amaya. Yasmin, Sarah. Oh, geez, Sarah. That smile scares me. Milka. I don't even know. AJ.
But it is not sending.
Try again.
Why does Aiden Miller sound familiar? Jose. I remember Jose. Cynthia. Andrew. Matthew, James, Lynn, Ian, Spencer, Tuyen, Christine, Dulce, Nisa, Aiden, Jesse, Danielle,
This is
Kimberly,
scary.
What's scary?
Mariana,
You're introducing so many.
Jordan, Ashley. Does Ashley Potter sound familiar to you guys? Sophia Nguyen? No freaking way. Guys, listen. Do you guys know Aiden? No, Andy Nguyen by chance?
You mean Andy Nguyen?
What? No, Andy Nguyen.
Nguyen.
The Vietnamese.
Yeah.
Okay.
Man,
Do you know his sister by chance?
No.
I need to look at that. Okay. I think I just found my first familiar face from the second grade. Now I'm in. This is my third grade one actually, so I apologize for the my correction. Devon, Jimmy, Patrick, Elizabeth, Cassandra. Nope. Omar, Jenny, Brian, and Antoine. Antoine Miles. I did not know he went to Bose with me. No freaking way. Julia, Loretta, Daniel, Emily, Michaela, nope. Victor, Shelma, found her. Huh, she's definitely different now. Holy cow. Anna, Estrella, Giovanni, Aguilar, Tires, Daniela, Maurice now. Let's see this one. Trend. Antius. Oh my goodness, like that was always. Dante.
Katie, how's the uploading process going?
I restarted my phone.
Okay.
My phone is so bad, bro.
Where are these uploads going into? Are they going to the off-topic chat?
Of course, of course.
I like to share this really flattering image.
So anyone I know in the fourth grade that looks familiar.
Oh.
It's my favorite picture.
Let me make an emoji of my face first.
Do you want to see a picture of Keely from 5th grade?
Of course.
Hold up, I gotta get it.
All of this is being caught in 4K.
Dude, I forgot we're recording. We're not even doing this.
What is that? What is
okay, everybody say bye.
Are you leaving?
No, we're not. We're just stopping recording.
Oh, it's not recording.
Bye,
Okay,
recording.
bye. Bye, recording.
Bye.